What a suck.
Take a picture.
Alright. Hang on. Stop moving your head. Okay. Hold still. There we go. Alright, I got a bunch of pictures. And I'm recording still.
Cute.
I know, it's being adorable. Look at his little feet's all locked up. Cute. What are you doing? What are you doing, cute baby boy? He's like, don't touch me or I'm gonna bite you.
You're adorable, Buster.
Is he stuck?
No, he's just being a weirdo. Come here. Come here. He's
Stop.
like, no, I'm not going in there.
He's like, I want to play in the shirt.
Come here.
Boy, look at that beautiful wing. Show off the other side, Buster. Other side. Do the other side. He's like, nope, I'm good.
Come on, buddy. What are you going to do?
He's like, I'm going to bite you.
Oh, that was easy. You be nice. You be nice.
He's like, I'm way too hyper to be nice.